This is what you get for under 800,000 euros in Altea Hills. Welcome to Spain. It's November and it's sunny. Perfect day to view a property. This home has 848 square meters of plot, 313 built, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a sauna, and just 5 minutes away from the beach. In the entrance of the home, you have full tropical plants, you have place for 2 cars, and here on the left-hand side, you can put a lift to going straight up to the top floor. The home is surrounded by plants, trees, so it feels like you're in nature consistently. And it's full of privacy. This is the chill out area from the home. You have the barbecue here, table and chairs. We're surrounded by plants and we're separated from the house. Perfect to throw your little party here. Coming straight to the home, you have a place here to leave your clothes and shoes. You come into here, wow, wide open living room. The whole ground floor has floor heating. You have the dining room here, nice big open kitchen, views straight to Benidorm, and from here we go straight out to the terrace. You come out to this nice open terrace, infinity pool, sea views. You got views to the mountain Puig Campana in La Nucía. A really good thing about this home that it has sun all day because we're pointing south. So you can sunbathe from morning till afternoon. Enough sun for me. Now it's time to go and see the bedrooms. On the ground floor, we have 1 bedroom. On the top, we have 3. This is one of the main one. And look at this. Look at these views. I call this the wow bedroom because the views from here, it looks like you're floating. You have a double bed, there's a wardrobe and a spacious terrace. Look how big this terrace is. On the other bedroom you have 1, but this one is a good size. And plus you have a chill out area that is perfect to watch the sunset. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, and go and click on this playlist to watch more properties in Altea like this one. I'll see you on the next one.